Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's lower door inserts on this Honda Talon 1000R. So let's jump right in. The first thing that we're going to do is remove the following 8 screws. Okay, we're just going to go through and remove all these screws. So once we have all our screws removed, we're going to close our door. We're going to remove the outside of the factory door skin. So it should look just like this, and then your door should look just like so. So then we're going to go right in here, and we're going to locate our factory indentions. But there's going to be 2 indentions here, as well as 2 indentions right here and here. Now we're going to take our 9/32 drill bit, and we're going to drill through the factory indentions. We'll do that here and here, and we'll move up here and do the same thing. Now we're going to grab 4 nylock nuts, 8 flat washers, 2 spacers, and 4 M6 screws. And we're going to grab our lower door insert. We're going to go ahead and start getting the door mocked up so we can drill our holes out on the bottom of the door. So we want to orient it just like this. And over here on this side that has the cutout, we're going to want to make sure that we take a spacer. We're going to put our screw through. So we're going to put spacers on both of our screws. So it'll go on just like this. You'll come through to the back side, lay a washer on it, and we're only going to tighten 1 of the screws at this point because we're about to remove it. So we're just going to kind of get it laid into place here. And on this side, you're going to want to use your short M6 screw. So you'll put a washer on one side, and then a washer on the opposite side. And then you'll put your nut. And then we'll go ahead and tighten our hardware up. Once you start to get it close, you got to make sure that you pick up on your lower door. You can kind of just put your knee up underneath of it and hold it into place. And then right there, see, we got it pretty tight. And then on this side, you'll just want to do the same thing, just kind of hold it in place with your knee. Just make sure it's scooted all the way up against the door. Just like that, and you just want to close it. See, it closes great, but we're not done yet. We're going to take our paint marker. We're just going to come right up through the bottom portion of these holes on this lower door. We're just going to mark on that plastic real nice so we know exactly where we need to drill. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the door. We'll go ahead and remove all our hardware. Remove our lower door completely. We'll just sit this lower portion of the door out of the way. Then we're going to go down here to the bottom, take our drill, and we're just going to drill right through the holes we made. Now we're going to go ahead and take our door. We're going to fully install it this time. So we're going to make sure that we install all our hardware. Start over here with the easy ones. Take our short screw, slide it through just like that. We'll take a washer, put it on the back side, then a nut. We'll go ahead and get our nut started. We'll get one of our long screws with our spacer. We'll put both the spacers on there, and we'll slide it through the holes. Reach around, put our washers on, put our nuts on each of them, put our other small bolt in on this side. Then we're going to grab 3 more of our short M6 screws and 6 more washers and then 3 more nylock nuts and put our hardware in for each of the holes we just drilled through the bottom. We'll just put a washer up against the screw, washer on the opposite side, and then the nut. Then we're going to go through and we're going to tighten the lower hardware up first, and then we'll tighten the rest of it. Then once we have our door on, we just want to open and close it a few times. Make sure it closes properly. And we're going to come down here and we're going to remove this screw. So we're going to grab our door stop and get it installed. You can use your factory screw, or you can use one of the M6 by 20 millimeter Allens that are provided in the hardware kit. We're going to go ahead and utilize our factory screw though. And we'll just slide this door stopper right into place how we want it. We'll go ahead and we'll thread our screw into the factory clip. So once you have your door stop installed, you just want to close your door. And to make sure it doesn't rattle down here, you're going to make sure it's sitting good and flush up against that door stopper. Now we're going to grab our door skin. We'll go ahead and we'll get our door aligned back up how it was. Then we'll grab all our factory screws, get them all reinstalled. What I like to do is get the top ones in first. That way it kind of holds it in place for you. And then go around and get the rest of them. So once we have them all started, we're going to go through and fully tighten all of the factory screws. Now all you're going to do is repeat all these same steps for the opposite side. And that's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's lower door inserts on this Honda Talon 1000R. For more information on these lower door inserts or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.